10 fun facts about Huskies. Hi there, dog lovers. Welcome to Whimsical World Wanderers. Are you ready to learn about one of the coolest dog breeds in the world? That's right, we're talking about Huskies. Fact number 1. Huskies are born to run. Huskies are sled dogs, originally bred by the Chukchi people of Siberia. They have incredible stamina and can run up to 100 miles a day when pulling sleds. They're also team players, working together in a pack to pull heavy loads through harsh, snowy terrains. That's why they've been trusted by explorers and adventurers for centuries. Fact number 2. They have super thick fur. Huskies are built for cold weather. Their double-layered coat keeps them warm in freezing temperatures. But here's the twist. They're also great at staying cool in the summer. Fact number 3. Huskies love to talk. Did you know Huskies are super talkative? They might not bark a lot, but they sure do howl and chat with their humans. Fact number 4. Their eyes are mesmerizing. Huskies are famous for their striking blue eyes. But did you know they can also have brown eyes, or even one eye of each color? It's called heterochromia, and it makes them even more unique. Fact number 5. They're escape artists. If you have a husky, watch out. They're known for their cleverness and love of adventure. Many huskies are experts at digging under fences or jumping over them. They're always looking for the next big escape. Fact number 6. They're pack animals. Huskies are social dogs. They love being part of a pack. whether it's with other dogs or their human family. That's why they're happiest when they're not alone. Fact number 7, they're surprisingly clean. Unlike some dogs, Huskies are very clean and don't have much of a doggy smell. They even groom themselves, kind of like cats. Fact number 8, they're not for everyone. Huskies are beautiful, but they're also high energy and need lots of exercise and training. If you're thinking of getting one, make sure you're ready for the commitment. Fact number 9, they have a wolf-like look, but are super friendly. With their pointy ears and sharp features, Huskies look like wolves. But don't worry, they're known for being super friendly and loving. Fact number 10, they're movie stars. Huskies have been featured in lots of movies, like Balto and Snow Dogs. Their heroic nature and good looks make them perfect for the big screen. And there you have it, 10 fun facts about Huskies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.